Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm gonna start off by making a smoothie, and this smoothie I made and put it on TikTok, and a lot of people were asking me for the recipe, and I'm just gonna make it for you guys so you guys can see what I put in it. And yeah, this smoothie is super good. I call it my starburst smoothie because it literally tastes like Starburst, and it's kind of on the more sweet side. You guys will see if you try it. We have Bella. Good morning. So I already made my water, which is what I'm sipping on. It's iced with lemon. Super good, and I love drinking this in the morning because it's like refreshing. All right, so what you're gonna do is put in a cup of raspberries. And then a half a cup of this blend. And I try to get all of the like pineapples and the papaya. So I'll do half a cup. I'll add another pineapple in there. So there's that. So half a cup of that. And then we're gonna do a cup of ice. A whole banana, a cup of milk, a tablespoon of honey. This is the raw unfiltered honey. I'm adding flax seeds, to help with cooking. Put in about a little bit less than a tablespoon. I don't know, it's really up to you how much you want to put. That doesn't have anything to do with like how it's going to taste. The last thing I'm going to be adding in is this strawberry yogurt, and it might sound crazy, but it actually adds a lot of good flavor to it since it is already kind of sweet, and I like the kind of yogurty taste with this. So I don't know how much this is. Let's see if I measure it. So you can use a little bit less than a half of any kind of yogurt that you want, but I'm using this one because this is what I have. And then we'll blend it all up. All right, so that color is beautiful, you guys. Look at it. So beautiful. Ears. Is that yummy? It's a little later on in the day and I'm hungry, so it is 12:13 and I'm gonna make a little snacky snack. So I just put 2 bagels into, well, it's 1 bagel, but I split it in half and I put it in the toaster, so that's toasting. But what I'm gonna do is chop up some strawberries and mix it in a bowl with blueberries and honey, and I'm gonna eat that with my cream cheese and bagel. drizzle a little bit of honey. Just a little, nothing too crazy. Just so it has like a little sweetness. And it's gonna taste so good with the cream cheese and the bagel. A little ASMR. That looks so good. Let me go ahead and record my little tickety talkity. I'm excited for you guys to see this one because I know it's so good already. Like, I haven't even eaten it yet and I know it's good. I love doing these videos and watching these videos to give ideas for other people to eat. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. You guys. You guys, try this at home, okay? This is bomb. It's so freaking bomb. If you love bagels and if you love fruit, just eat it together. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Get it, mommy, get it. Bella, why is your hat like that? You look crazy, girl. Peekaboo! So what I've been trying to do to get exercise is running back and forth in my backyard with Isabella, because our backyard's pretty like lengthy, so that's what I've been doing to get some exercise, and I'll show you. Isabella loves doing it. Bella is me at PE trying to run our mile lap. Alright, so it is 2:15 and I want to show you guys what I'm gonna eat. This is leftovers from yesterday, so it's like pasta, Parmesan pasta with roasted tomatoes, chicken. That chicken is so freaking good, and then some Parmesan cheese on top. I got this recipe from Nazanin Konvari on her TikTok, and let me just say, definitely delicious. So I'm just eating leftovers for lunch. So I'm editing this video right now, realizing I didn't even end the video off or show you guys what I ate for dinner that day. So what I ended up eating was a fresco melt from Steak and Shake, and let me just say, I highly regretted it. It traumatized me. It literally hurt my stomach so badly, you guys. TMI, but I was on the toilet for like a good hour. Like, it was terrible. I will never eat Steak and Shake again. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys want a more detailed what I eat in a days with all the recipes and exactly how I make them. I promise I will finish the whole video out. But let me know, comment down below, or let me know on TikTok. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I always have them linked in the bio. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.